These are all of the things I got for my 30th birthday, even though I've unboxed most of the things that are inside here. I got this bag from my friend, the mother of my godchildren who came to visit. It is Dune, and this bag is just so lovely. This is actually not mine, it's for my man. It's a shade, so this is what's inside, but it's not mine. This is actually a purse I gifted myself. I love the purse. The gold color is amazing. I got this wristwatch from Baba Okomi. I call him Baba Okomi. He is my man's brother and best friend. They got him and his wife got me this wristwatch. It's Secunda, and this wristwatch looks absolutely gorgeous. Now, this is one thoughtful birthday present I've gotten in my entire 30 years on this earth. I wanted to read this book. I kept forgetting to order it, and then the Osakoes gifted me this. It's so thoughtful, and I'm really so appreciative of this gift. This is another very beautiful, thoughtful gift I got. It was in my wish list, and my very good girly Goodie Bay Chinaza sent me this amazing fragrances. They're just so beautiful. Thank you so much, babe. I really love them. The scent of this one, mwah. So my friend from Nigeria sent me this headband and a wristwatch. Although the wristwatch, I think I gave Bay to keep it for me. It's just so thoughtful how she just sent me this from Nigeria. The wristwatch she gave to our other friend who went to Nigeria. And amazing. Olamide. She sells headbands, things for children, clothing for adult and children. So if you ever want to shop from a reputable brand, Lami's Avon is your go-to. This gift from Swarovski, from my big sister, it's Swarovski, and it has a very cute birthday message behind it. It says, "Happy birthday, my dearest sister." It's mine to read, not yours. One for me, one for our last born, who also has a birthday in April. My sister is just one amazing person. It's so girly. I think the blue is mine and the pink is for our last sister. Last but not the least, absolutely not the least, is the gift from my man. It's mine to read. I'm not going to read it for you. Don't think I'm going to say all the things. This is for me personally. This is another thing that it got me that I absolutely love. It's a customized gold pendant. It is Ado. That's the nickname he calls me. So we have a lot of names for each other. And then some gold earrings, which, gold never ever go out of fashion. This one, dear to my heart. And my last gift is, I don't think it's my last gift, but I can't remember where the other items are. But this is the last one from my man. It's these shoes from Kotskiga. It's Cavella. This looks like a fairy tale. This looks like Cinderella. And I'm going to wear this when I'm going out on a date with my man. First person I want to wear this shoe with is with my man. Get myself a nice dress and wear it on a sexy date night. And yeah, it got me a bracelet to match my wristwatch that he got me on Valentine's Day. But like I said, I put some things away already. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you in my next video. This is just to say how much I have more beautiful and amazing people around me. And that's not to say that those who did not gift me are not amazing, but just to say that I have very beautiful people in my life. And I'm so glad that I have been on this earth for 30 years. See you next time. Bye.